Good morning. I am Clarence James Siglat from FC Basin 104, and for today, I am going to perform the musculoskeletal assessment. Before and after meeting our patient, we must do the standard precaution to avoid contamination and any infection. After doing the standard precaution, let us go and meet our patient. After doing the standard precaution, let us meet our patient. First, let us introduce ourselves to our patient. Ma'am, I am Clarence J. Siglat, and for today, I am going to assess your muscular system. Is it okay to you that I am the one who is doing the assessment?
Yes.
Next is inquire our patient of any medical history related to muscular system. Ma'am, do you have any medical history related to any joint pain?
No.
Anything that is relating to your bones?
No.
Okay. Do you have any medication that is related also to your bones?
Not so far.
Alright. Do you exercise often? How regular are you going to exercise?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Do you smoke?
No.
No. Do you drink alcoholic beverage?
Occasionally.
Occasionally. Next is to inspect the muscles for any abnormalities. Next is inspect the patient's muscle by comparing the muscle to the same muscle on the opposite side of the body. Kindly ask your patient to move her hand forward. Ma'am, kindly raise your hand so I could check your muscle. Inspect for any tremors and any abnormalities that may indicate patient's disease. Next is to test the patient's muscle strength by asking your patient to move her head where my hand is placed. So the patient should be able to move her head when I'm resisting. Ma'am, kindly move your head where my hand is placed. Okay. So same on the opposite side. Thank you. Next is to test our patient's muscle by doing the shrug, and our patient should be able to perform shrugging with my hands put in her shoulder and with the resistance. Kindly ask your patient to shrug her shoulder. Ma'am, can you shrug your shoulder? Okay, thank you. Next is to ask our patient to put her hands on the air. And while you putting her hands down, your patient should be able to resist it. Ma'am, can you put your hands in the air? Ma'am, I'm gonna pull your hand down, but you should be able to resist it. Okay. Thank you. Ask your patient to extend her arm and flex her bicep while resisting it. Ma'am, can you spread your arm? Extend. Okay. Ma'am, you are going to flex your bicep and I am going to resist it. You should be able to flex your biceps while I am resisting it. Can you flex your bicep? Alright. Flex, ma'am. Thank you. Next is to ask your patient to flex and extend her arm, and your patient should be able to extend her arm while you putting pressure on it. Ask your patient, "Ma'am, kindly flex and extend your right arm." Can you flex it? Extend your arm. Okay. Ask your client to spread her fingers, and while putting pressure on it, while putting it together, your patient should be able to resist from it. Ma'am, kindly spread your fingers. Ma'am, while I'm putting it together, you should be able to put resist on it. Thank you. Next is to ask your patient to hold your finger, and your patient should be able to hold your finger while you trying to remove your finger. Ma'am, can you hold my finger? Ma'am, you should be able to hold it while I'm removing it. Thank you. Okay, thank you. In a supine position, your patient should be able to raise their legs while you trying to hold it down. Ma'am, can you raise your leg? Thank you. Ma'am, can you raise your leg? Thank you. In a supine position, ask your patient to spread their legs while you putting pressure on lateral surface of the leg. Ma'am, can you spread your leg? Thank you. Next is to ask your patient to put together their legs, and your patient should be able to put their legs together while you putting resist on it. Ma'am, can you put together your legs? Thank you. In a supine position, ask your patient to bend their knee slightly, and while the patient's knee is bent, you should strengthen her legs, and our patient should be able to resist from it. Ma'am, kindly bend your knee. Ma'am, I am going to strengthen your legs, and you should be able to resist from it. Okay, thank you. The next leg. Okay, thank you. Next is ask your patient to slightly bend their knee and flex their leg. And while flexing their leg, your patient should be able to resist from it. Ma'am, can you bend your knee? Ma'am, I am going to flex your leg, and can you put resist on it? Okay, thank you. Same on the opposite side. Bend and push, and your patient should be able to resist from it. Okay, thank you. Next is dorsiflex. While you are attempting to dorsiflex the patient's ankle, your patient should be able to resist from it. Ma'am, can you put resistance on it when I'm going to flex your ankles? Okay, thank you. Ma'am, put resistance on it. Okay, thank you. Next is to inspect and palpate the patient's bone structures. Ma'am, I am going to palpate your bones. Do you feel any pain, ma'am?
Nothing.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Next is to assist the patient movement and document the findings. Ma'am, kindly spread your hands. Kindly rotate it. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, can you stand up? Okay, thank you. Ma'am, can you raise your leg? Okay, on the other side. Alright. And that's for today. Thank you.